Cough. Cough is one of the commonest symptoms met with in general practice, and most of the cases are of short duration, that is 3 to 4 days. Such coughs are usually due to common colds leading to pharyngitis or laryngitis and sometimes bronchitis. And they respond rapidly when treated with an antibiotic, antihistaminic and cough syrup. Now, which antibiotic to prescribe for simple coughs is always a question. There is a very wide range of antibiotics available, and a different antibiotic will be found to work better in different localities. So you have to decide from experience which antibiotic works in your locality, and then you will prefer that. For mild cases, you may give erythromycin or roxithromycin, or ampicillin-cloxacillin or amoxicillin-cloxacillin combinations, or ciprofloxacin or sparfloxacin. For severe cases, use second and third generation cephalosporins, azithromycin or lomefloxacin. Injection penicillin given after a test dose is a very effective drug against respiratory infections. Now we shall see what to look for when you examine this patient who complains of cough. The first thing I ask is whether the cough is dry or productive and whether it is associated with a wheezing sound. If the cough is productive, I ask about the color and amount of expectoration and whether it is white, frothy, yellow of infection or red with blood. If the cough is dry, I give a codeine preparation like Linctus codeine or Fencidil syrup. Whereas if there is expectoration, I will prescribe an expectorant like Soventol expectorant. If expectoration is yellow or foul smelling, which indicates infection, then I will give a higher antibiotic. If there is history of colds and throat pain, it suggests pharyngitis. And if there is a change in the voice or flat voice, there is associated laryngitis. Now examine the patient and auscultate the chest carefully for rales, rhonchi and bronchial breath sounds. Rhonchi or wheezing sound means bronchospasm, so prescribe bronchodilators. And if you hear rales or bronchial or cavity breath sounds, then ask for an X-ray of the chest. Now I will tell you about some peculiar types of cough. If the patient complains of severe pain on one side of the chest on coughing or on deep inspiration, it is very suggestive of pleuritis. If you auscultate carefully, you will hear harsh rubbing sound of the pleural rub. This is another patient who needs to be X-rayed immediately along with HbWBC and ESR.